We already found it. The boys in the whip. Yeah. Brady's just gonna give us a bit of a limmy or something when they get past. Bit of this, bit of that. It's my oldest daughter. Boom. He's my man. Okay, next back. Have a night party. 88. Legal. That one it.
Watch the
We just arrived to PA for it. Just picking up those alternators. Yeah, so we're gonna get Kablooey back on the road. It's the new video that we're coming up with. Yeah, Kablooey riding this weekend and a couple of burnout comps we're going to. I think it's gonna be called what's the burnout called? Oh yeah, Street the Track is one, and then the Te Aroha burnout is also. But yeah, love a night funny. Arrived to Te Aomiri, just gonna drive the cash, pick up the alternators, and then we on fun it, have a night. Look! Decided to get in a bit of a feed funny. We cracked the 2 alternators. It's down here. Staked. 2 alternators. 2 alternators there, man. Now you need this corner on it. Yeah, fair enough. It's coming hot right here. What about you in Hamilton, son?
On iHeartRadio.
Daddy, taking some tires on it. Yeah. Take it out, we got the alternators. 2 tape setups. Like. Look. Just a bit of an update. Sorry, changing his tires on it. Turn all the debeated ones. Hit you left. Just keep wiggling around. Done. Daily this day. Really nice and slippery. Do it. Put these fish. Lift it up on it. Really adjust. Oh, nice little time it does it with clutch and play. Oh.
I didn't make a new video.
2 minutes.
Yeah.
Damn, she jammed it right. She barely scooted on.
Look at a lot of dust down the bottom.
So be killing. Lock that one up again. Around one more time. Well, surely this just. Oh, see that? Boy, look. Done. Very funny. So we just finished spraying this season.
Yeah.
Got a couple of tires that we gonna chuck away. That one down there. That one I think I got a DB. That one. And that one over there. Yeah. This one I fucking couldn't get it off. I think I might have to DB'd it again. We'll have a look. Hey, love a night funny. Look. See some? Do that. Oh wait, get down underneath on it, come up with it. Boom. Got the red. Just keep jamming the red all the way around, Fonny. There you got it. There we go, on it. Yeah. Yep, done. Let you know. Wow, I'm not gonna lie, Fonny, that one was a mission. Staggy tie over there, I can keep getting spot boy. Getting slapped. Come here, so this one's all set up. Trying to debeat this one and then, yeah. Just wanted to apply for it. Sure, it's 18, eh? Let's get some. Oh, let's see on the other side. Have a night, Fonny. Have a good one. Yeah.
Yeah, out here. Gonna have ice cream with my cousins. I really want this one. And I want this one because M&M's. My favorite. My favorite. Oreo. I love Oreo. Oh, we're getting the plain one, I think. Is it recording? Yep. Me and my cousins are just gonna get an ice cream. Go back. You still got makeup. Go back. You're finished. I really want the Oreo one. No, we all get the same one. We all get to have that one. Okay. M&M's. I really want this one. The Kit Kat one. It's my favorite. You're going next. You're going next. Okay, you can throw it. I'm going after you. I can't believe that's how.
Yeah, we're all getting the same.
Go this way. Go. Go back. Go back there now. Go. Go back. That's right. You can't go across the
I'll
road.
go last because
You're the oldest. I really want this one. Dad, take it back.
Right, finish, get in. Quick.
her and then you and then you. Wait for me.
Get it on plate.
Sandaline.
Thank you.
Here it is, Bonnie. Yeah, we are ready. There, what y'all want. Kids are having a bit of a M&M one each.
Oh, Kit Kat. Oh, yeah. And a
What do you want now? What one do you want, darling?
Kit Kat.
Alright, okay. It's my oldest daughter. Boom. He's my man. Okay, next back. Check it out for video.
The video.
Yeah. See the red light? See video in now?
Yeah.
Look at this far now. Main fake fella. It's a bit of a swervy fella. Swerving into our lane and stuff. Fucking better not sandwiches, huh? Fucking with the boss, this kind of. What is he, mum? What kind of driver is he? Keep it going, brother. She'll get it going. Look out! He's gripping. Here it is, finally. Oh, there's look, he's got a crescent. Yeah. Oh, he's big. Check it out, finally. That's what y'all want. Yeah, the bird just ended up winning something, eh? What did he just win, Uncle? Yeah, 6 fingers, eh? It's Americano. Mexican. It's gangster, huh? Oh, yeah, it's a barrel.
Bear tail. The 40. A Mitsubishi Sigma.
Yeah.
Got a
Very young.
BTR in it too.
That's it.